Hi beauties, so I'm coming to you with a bohemian gypsy knotless box braid bob, whatever. But yeah, I put all the products on the screen, and so you could just screenshot that, or I may put them in the description if I remember, but if not, just screenshot the products that I used from the screen. But okay, for the curly hair that I used, so she had got the hair. Okay, and also shout out to this client for letting me film this, because I know this style is trending, so I figured you guys would probably want to see how to do it. And yes, and she wanted it, so I was like, perfect opportunity. And I'll talk about that a little later. But for the hair that I use, I usually like request that they get like free trust water wave or like something similar. But the one that the beauty spot store that she went to didn't have it, so she asked me about some other hair, and that was fine too, because well, like, I thought it was fine too, because usually if it's around the same price, I'd be like, yeah, it should be fine. But no, baby girl, whoever manufactured that company of the hair that she got, they scammed her out of her money, because girl, I was like, this does not feel like the free trust water wave, and it was like the same amount of money as a free trust water wave. So I was like, that company needs to do better. If I remember the name, I will put it on the screen. But I mean, it worked for the style that we was doing, but if I was doing something like passion twist or something, that like wouldn't work out at all. But yeah, anyways, so I'm basically just sectioning off her hair, and then I'm like coating it with shine and jam, and then combing it through, and then starting the knotless. Like, I braid with her real hair, and then add hair, and then braid, and then add hair. And I kind of got it like in a real time slash kind of like not very fast, so that you guys can like see the process. And I also did this process in like a couple of my videos, so you guys can also watch those too with knotless box braids. But yeah, so after that, then I braid down a little, and then I add the curly piece, and then braid it down a little bit and pull it out and continue braiding, and then take the other curly piece out. And I don't remember what colors of the hair that she got, but it came out really cute. Like, I like the colors. Like, I didn't even think about these colors, like, because when she had came here, she was just like, she just wanted the brownish reddish color, like blended, highlighted or whatever. But then I was like, I didn't even think about like people actually be getting that style, and like they actually went really well together. So I loved how this came out. But once I get to the end, I just kind of tie a knot, but I don't really show that, but I just mainly show you me braiding at the roots. And I also found out that if you want your knotless to last longer, braid like, or like a better grip at the scalp, braid, like keep your hand close to the scalp. Like, don't move, like when you're reaching to get hair, don't try not to move your hand away from their head, because like then you like pulling it further away from their hair, and then it just gets loose or whatever, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense, guys. But I also comb it through too, to help it stay flatter and like neater or whatever. That helps too. So that's just some little tips, and just enjoy the rest of the tutorial, because I don't want to be talking this whole time. I also forgot to mention that if you're doing this style, we like, typically people get like the color that matches their hair, so we didn't really think about it. But so for the ends, I dipped them, like curled them with straw curls, and then dipped them a little bit. But usually like you would use like the color of the hair, but we didn't even think about it, so we just had to like finesse some real quick, but it turned out really cute. Alright, this is the final product. Bye, bitches. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for more.